Okay, question 6 tells us b is y cubed minus 3, and then it asks us to take the derivative with respect to y of the natural log of y minus 2 cosine b. Okay, so we're taking the derivative here. How do we take the derivative of the natural log of something?
1 over something.
So 1 over something. You just need to have that memorized. Now, normally when we take the derivative of something with y, we have to do it times y prime. Why do I not need that here?
Because dy is in the bottom.
Right, because this time we were actually taking the derivative with respect to y. So if you want to keep up with that stuff, you need to say, I took the derivative of y, but it was with respect to y. So it's like multiplying by 1. So including a y prime there is going to be incorrect. Okay, over here, minus 2, the derivative of cosine something would be negative sine something. So I changed that. And then I just took the derivative of v with respect to y. So we end up with 1 over y over here. We end up with 2 v prime sine of v over there. Okay, and so I did the derivative, but the question also says specifically in terms of y only. So we should only have y's in our answer before we circle and move on. So 1 over y is in terms of y, but v prime is certainly not in terms of y. So we need to go up here and take this derivative. V prime is the same thing as 3y squared. 3y squared. dy dy, so I don't have to keep up with it this time. Just being very conscious of what we're taking the derivative with respect to. And then instead of saying sine of v, I need that in terms of y. So I take this piece that they gave to me, and instead of saying v, I'll say y cubed minus 3. So 1 over y plus 6y squared times the sine of y cubed minus 3.